All right, Doug here with Yaskawa, and I'm at the Mujin booth along with Josh, their director of sales. So Josh is going to walk us through this incredible booth that they have. All sorts of automation going on here. So Josh is going to lead us through that and also point out how they're using Yaskawa. So Josh, with that, please take it away.
Yeah, thanks for talking to me, Doug. So here at Automate, we're showcasing the power of the Mujin controller, which is really a universal platform for robotics. We've got two different solutions inside of our booth today. What we're going to show you first is this kind of kitting solution for the automotive industry. So we're unloading totes off of pallets here with the Yaskawa GP180, and we have a tote gripper there that can manage different size totes. On the tool as well, we have a vision sensor that is looking at the totes to identify where the appropriate pick points are. And then autonomously, the robot will move the gripper to the position to pick and then singulate it onto these mobile robots from Geek Plus. So we're singulating totes here of different parts that are going to make up the kitting operation on the other end of the booth here. So walk with me. Along the way, you'll see kind of the front end of our software. It's the user interface here showcasing the digital twin environment for this kitting solution. So notice that we're not just looking at the robot arms here, but also the mobile robots. We're doing the full orchestration of this solution within our application here. So it's telling the robots how to move, but it's also telling the robots how to move within the space and bring the right parts at the right time to create the kitting operation over here. So on this side, we've got two different robots, one with a mechanical gripper and one with a vacuum gripper, so that we can pick all different types of parts and build kits. So the idea is we're building these kits so that workers down the line can do the assembly of the kit. So this is a lot of different hardware going into one controller that's orchestrating the entire solution.
I mean, in case it's hard to see everything here, but I mean, the fact that you've got the mobile robots, I mean, all the cameras around, so whether it's cameras or individual sensors, I mean, then like you said, the underarm tooling, there's just a lot going on here to process.
And then here, we're actually debuting random bin picking. So we're showing our next generation user interface that's there to set up the bin picking application. So really, our system integrator partners can take this and grab a robot arm and build the bin picking solution all on their own. All right, on the far side of our booth here, we're kind of showcasing the manufacturing side that we just went through, but on the far side, we're showcasing really more in the logistics world, in warehouse logistics. So on the front of the booth, we're actually doing kind of the outbound side of a warehouse. We have different inventory pallets showing up here at the robot arm, and then we're building a customer order on a mixed pallet here that you can kind of see here in the front of the booth. So there's Photoneo sensors up at the top, looking at the different vendor pallets so that you can then build the order for the customer. And then that's all being managed by mobile robots as well, coming into this operation. And then on the other side of the solution here, we're taking these customer build pallets and we're taking them to kind of the induct side of the warehouse. So follow me. So this is our QuickBot, a productized solution for mixed SKU or single SKU depalletizing. So this is kind of the receiver of that mixed pallet load, where we're building it on this side, maybe at like the manufacturing distribution center. Now that order is being built for maybe, say, a retailer, and this is going to be in the retailer's distribution center to unload that mixed pallet that was built on the other side of the booth. So we're kind of following this order here from this vehicle. It's going to come into the QuickBot mixed depalletizing cell here, and we're going to unload that pallet. So you can see with the vehicles, they're kind of following the QR codes on the ground, and that's how they're navigating the environment, and they're able to pick up these racks that hold the pallets. So really, to interact with them, you're just dropping off a pallet onto a rack. All of the safety interlocking is happening here. You can see the safety scanners down at the bottom of the QuickBot. The QuickBot is really a drop-in solution for depalletizing. So it comes on a skid, so you don't have to bolt anything into the ground. The vision system is already built into the QuickBot. You can see it there on the pneumatic actuating device here, lighting sensor technology up there to see these items. We don't really know what's going to come into the robot cell, so there's no prior information. We're on the fly recognizing these cases and unloading the cases from the pallet.
No easy task.
That's right. So Doug, thanks for having me. I'm glad you got to stop by and learn more about Mujin. We're really excited to be here at Automate 2023, and it's been a great show so far, and a lot of interest in our technology, and a lot of integrator partners for us to work with to deploy these solutions.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Josh. Appreciate it.